Hello and welcome to the first video of the channel. These are my two vehicles here. I'm going to be going over a lot of things with these two. Make a video on the Hellcat and then plenty of videos on this, stating that the channel is called ThatRedFirstGen. I just got it all done. I got a couple things left I got to do. For example, I had this wrapped. This camera. Okay, bear with me. I had this thing wrapped here. You can see some imperfections. I didn't know you could buy the actual piece for this. So they make a piece that goes on this, and I'm gonna get that. And every time I do anything, I'm gonna try to start recording videos so you guys can see. It's not perfect. I live in Indiana, so trying to find parts for this thing was a pain. Everything's rusted out, so that was a fully rusted bed. I can show pictures and stuff. A fully rusted bed, and it's about as good as you can get. Especially I had a local guy do it, so not a professional body shop. This was not done by a professional body shop at all. This was just painted in a garage. Half the truck was painted in my grandpa's pole barn with a dirt floor, so it's not perfect. But anyway, it's a 92. I got a hood. This is an aftermarket hood. It just doesn't fit. You come over here, it just doesn't fit like it's supposed to. I got a hood that's already painted. I'm just waiting to put it on. I can do a video on that when I get it put on. I've had this taken off. I don't know. I've probably had the hood taken off 5 or 6 times. I've taken it off, put it back on, taken it off, put it back on. Just been fun. This whole project has been fun. These are aftermarket fenders. They're okay. Anyway, I just wanted to give a little overview of the channel, what I'm gonna be doing. And I can't believe this camera. So what I'm gonna be doing and talking about, I do want to make some videos about this car here. This is a 2016 Dodge Charger, Hellcat. I got some videos I want to do on this. I haven't really done anything aftermarket to this at all. I don't plan on to. Maybe a cold air intake eventually. But I just want to go over some of the things I've had problems with since I've owned it. So it's like one of the newer, it's one of the first generation ones. I mean, I know there's only one generation, but it's when they first came out. They came out in 2015, and this is a 16, so I can just tell you some of the problems I've had. Maybe that's due to it being one of the early gens, but yeah. And I want to go over some of the Chrysler, some of the FCA or whatever, Stellantis, whatever, some of the quality control they have here for a car like this. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like it. It's a nice car. It's fun. It drives smooth, but there's just some problems I've been having with it, and nothing too crazy, nothing that makes me want to sell it. But I just want to go over that stuff with anyone that's interested, and maybe I could help some people out. But yeah, that's a little introduction. Here's the two vehicles we're working with on the channel, mostly this one though, for sure. My grandpa's got he's got a 93, a 2-wheel drive first gen diesel. So if we ever have anything to do with that, I can record it, post it on here. Trying to think what else. I might make a video of what all I've done and had help with and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's gonna be the introduction for the channel. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you subscribe if you like it. Stay tuned for more. Like I said, a lot of videos to come, I hope. I'm gonna try to pick this up as another hobby. But yeah, take it easy.